Before we dive into the details of this 8.8-inch monitor PC case temperature display, just a quick reminder that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This ultra-wide, long-stretch bar display is an excellent addition for anyone looking to monitor PC temperatures or use a secondary screen with devices like the Raspberry Pi. Its 1920 by 480 resolution combined with IPS technology ensures sharp, vibrant images with consistent color and contrast from any angle, making it suitable for both casual and professional use. One of the standout features is its impressive brightness of 600 nits, which guarantees clear visibility even under direct sunlight or brightly lit environments. This makes it perfect for those who need to keep an eye on system stats or sensor data without straining their eyes. The plug-and-play design is another big plus. With HDMI and USB connectivity, setting it up is straightforward and hassle-free, requiring no additional drivers or software. The compact and lightweight form factor, 65 by 232 by 12.5 millimeters, 172G, means it fits neatly on any desk or workspace without cluttering it. For Raspberry Pi users, this monitor is a great match. It includes a sturdy metal casing and a dedicated mounting hole to securely attach your Raspberry Pi on the back of the display, saving space and reducing cable mess. Compatibility is wide-ranging, supporting Raspberry Pi models 4, 3, 2, B, and B+, as well as Windows 7, 8, and 10 systems. The ability to adjust horizontal and vertical screen orientation via Windows display settings adds flexibility for different usage scenarios. However, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. While the high brightness is excellent, it may lead to slightly increased power consumption compared to lower brightness displays. The unique ultra-wide aspect ratio might not be suitable for all types of content, especially traditional video playback or gaming, where standard 16:9 ratios are preferred. Additionally, the resolution of 1920 by 480, though crisp for its size, is specialized and may not replace a primary monitor for detailed work. In summary, this 8.8-inch ultra-wide secondary screen is a well-designed, bright, and versatile temperature and sensor display, particularly ideal for PC monitoring and Raspberry Pi projects. It offers great portability, easy setup, and solid build quality with thoughtful features for space saving. Don't forget, the link to grab this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Be sure to check it out.